What's up, everybody? I'm Brad.
I'm Kaylee.
We're starting a new video series called Project Free Bronco because we just got a free Bronco. Let's check it out.
Here we go in 3, 2, 1, reveal!
Watch out, Murphy. Now you see why it was free. Let's get it unloaded.
Here we go, it's coming out. Okay, this thing is definitely a project. Okay, so it's green-ish. There we go. It's out.
You want to show it off a little bit?
Let's take a look.
Alright, it's unloaded. So the plan is going to be to get it cleaned up. It's been sitting for about 5 years. That's why we got it free. And see if we can clean it up, get it running, maybe driving, who knows. So stay tuned for more episodes to see what we can do with this turd.
Bye.